Homeopathy is a system of medicine rooted in tradition with unique manufacturing procedures. However, with all the technological advances, how are homeopathic medicines made today? Our team investigates.
Thuja occidentalis,
Ruta grove olens.
Ross toxicondrin.
Alors c'est le gel féminium sempervirem, d'accord.
Callium bichurium. Bichurium.
The three realms are used in homeopathy, so the plant realm, the animal realm. For example, we see the snake venom that can be used in homeopathy as dilutions. And we also use the mineral realm for many homeopathic products. In terms of manufacturing medications, there are three major steps for manufacturing a homeopathic product. First, we have the mother tincture or crushing. Mother tincture is, for example, in terms of the plant, it's the mother tincture. So we'll cut it into little pieces, we'll put it in an alcohol solution, and it has to stay there for several weeks. We must stir regularly to ensure that we will retrieve the main active ingredients in these plants, so we obtain the mother tincture. And crushing will be used for any mineral that is not soluble in alcohol. In that case, we will use the powder base that we call lactose, and we will crush it as such. The first step is mother tincture crushing, depending on the initial source. The second step is dilution. There are two major types of dilutions that are used in homeopathy. There's the Emanian method, which gives the CH or the DH. The Korsakovian method will simply give the K. So that is the second step, raising the potency. Dynamization is one of the steps of dilution, actually. So for example, in order to get one CH, we will start from another mother tincture. We will place one part into 99 parts solvent. We will dynamize it. This is also standardized. There are a number of secutions that are machine-made, and at the end of the dynamization, we achieve the first level of dilution that we call the first CH. To make the second CH, we start from this preparation and we redo the dilution, and we dynamize it each time. It's not only a dilution, it's also dynamization. A combination of these two things gives the final dilution. Afterwards, the third step is formatting. In order to deliver the product to the patient, we manufacture this dilution in form of pellets, globules, powders, tablets, drinkable solutions. There are also other formats such as gels and creams that may be used in certain countries. There's even a sterile injectable format that certain doctors use. So, yes, there are indeed standards for manufacturers. They must absolutely follow a number of criteria. They are visited regularly in some countries, and they must have certifications. These are actual pharmaceutical laboratories. They use plants to manufacture homeopathic medicines, but the standards of quality and cleanliness are the same for homeopathic medicine manufacturers and conventional drug manufacturers. The safety of homeopathic medicines is ensured by pharmacopoeias, which determine the dilution level above which the product is considered safe. So there are safety standards that are calculated based upon the toxicity of the substance used, and it's not so much a concern. There are many things about homeopathy that we don't yet understand, but one of the aspects on which everyone can agree on is the safety of homeopathic medicines, which can be used by higher risk patients such as young babies or pregnant women without any problems.